BitSideHouse.com.
Okay, students, now we are going to start previous year entrance examination questions like BITSAT. Okay, so BITSAT based I will try to cover, and MSET and NEET examination questions also. Recently, so many exams are conducted based upon them. First, I will try to cover the BITSAT examination questions, and based on that, some more questions. Okay, so let us start with the BITSAT questions. Okay, students, this is a wonderful question from the BITSAT. Reaction between Cu2 plus. See, so many traps are there, and options also so confusing, so near. Okay, so every option says that I am only the correct, but you should select the correct answer. Understood? So the reaction of Cu2 plus 2 electron gives copper is given. Okay. For this reaction, graph between Ln, okay, graph between Ln Cu2 plus is a straight line of intercept of 0.34 volt. Intercept is how much? 0.34. Then electrode potential of the half cell, this half cell, okay, will be. Is it understood? So try to solve it. So many traps are there and so many confusing options are there. Okay. So I think you know the traps, where it is and how to cross them. Graph between Ln Cu2 plus. Okay. Question. So graph between Ln to E reduction and Ln Cu2 plus. Okay. See here, the trap in the question is they are asking for Cu2 plus oxidation potential, but the information given is about the reduction potential. Okay, so that minus in that plus will become, when you solve simply this will be the correct answer. Okay, but here question is about the oxidation potential. This will be minus, this will be plus. Okay, so I am drawing the next equation for this, then you will come to know. Okay. So graph between E reduction and Ln2 plus. I am explaining this. Answer to this question is D option, but I am explaining it clearly. Okay. So normally E reduction is equal to E naught reduction. E naught reduction minus 0.059 upon N will be here 2 log product upon reactant. Product is 1 and copper 2 plus. Is that clear to all of you? 0.0591. Understood? Now here this is the intercept. Okay, what is this? This is the intercept. Understood? So this is a graph drawn. Okay. So y is equal to mx. Okay, mx plus c. So here intercept, this is for reduction, but they are asking for oxidation. So you will multiply everything with what? Everything will be multiplied. Okay, everything will be multiplied by minus, because reduction potential is equal to oxidation potential. This is already given 0.34. So for oxidation it will be minus, and this already minus is there, this will be plus. So likewise you will get 0.0591 upon 2. Okay, is it understood? So this type of approach is necessary, where you have to take care how you have to observe the options. That is what you will come to know when video explanation is there. Understood? See the options, how they are formed. Mostly every student is convergent with the Latimer diagram. Okay, but options are not according to the answers of Latimer diagram. Understood? So in BITSAT we find some typicality. BITS is a good institute. BITS Pilani, BITS Goa, and BITS Hyderabad. It is there in 3 places. Okay, and to give their, being a private engineering college, but it maintain its reputation, and you can find it through the, just by the questions framing itself. Okay, So once you are landing in the bits, that means your career is almost settled. Okay. So let us see, will you be able to solve this or not? So here you need not to solve. Most of the people, they are by hearting the answer. Okay. To avoid that, this question is given like this. Understood? So FE plus 3 to FE we have to reach. We have to reach from, so FE plus 3 to FE, and we will reach through the FE plus 2 and FE. Is it understood? Actually, this must be minus, multiplied it will be. Okay. Let us see what is the correct or print mistake or what. Let us check. Okay. So then that time this both will be correct answer. No? So let us check what is the correct answer. I will tell you. So FE plus 3 to plus 2, is that given? Plus 3 to plus 2 is what we want. This value is question mark. Okay. Now FE plus 3 to plus 2. FE plus 3 to plus 0. It is equal to minus 0.36. Okay. Into 3. Into 3, because this is a 3 electron. Is that understood? And here this value plus 2 to 0. Plus 2 to 0 is plus 0.439 into 2. Okay. So now this difference will be that minus of minus this. Okay. So answer will be minus of minus. This will be the answer. But here it will be plus, I think. Okay. Total value minus this. I am writing the clear answer here. Fe plus 3 to plus minus 3 into 3 into minus 0.36 and minus 0.439 into 2. Okay. So this is the answer. Now you check with the answer what is the correct. So I think this is the correct. Okay. So B option is correct. This was 3 minus. It was 3 minus. Okay. So what is the correct answer? B option is correct answer. Understood? Okay, now actually see here, minus there is a print mistake here, 3 into minus 0.36, then this will be minus. So fourth option will be correct. Fourth option, minus NFE will be there, very good. Okay, so this minus, according to that, which option is correct? Okay, I will clearly explain now. With shortcut, I think it is not possible. Delta G is equal to delta G1 plus delta G2. Okay. Now, here delta G is 3 in minus 3 into F into Fe 3 plus 2, 3 is equal to minus 0.36 is equal to then delta G1. This value we don't know, X. Okay, but we know that 1 electron minus 1 into F into E we don't know. Okay, plus minus of plus 2 to 0. Plus 2 to 0 will be minus of 2 into F into, this is equal to 0.439. Okay, there is a print mistake in the question. Now I am correcting, listen carefully. So this F and F will get cancelled. Okay. Minus 3 into minus 0.36 is equal to minus E. Okay. Minus E. Then this will be minus 2 into 0.439. Now you tell me what is the correct answer. When I bring this side, E is equal to, okay, and this goes that side, 3 into minus 0.36. Okay, this minus will become plus and this minus will remain as it is. Okay, and minus of 2 into 0.439. Now you tell me any problem in this one. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now you check with the correct answer. Which is the correct? I think D option is correct. Okay, D option. D option, it is minus is here. So A option, B option is only correct. 3 into minus 0.36. This has to be minus. Here also minus sign is not there. Okay, minus 0.439. Anyhow, this is the final answer. I think some print mistake is there in the question. Okay, so option, this correct option is 3 into minus 0.36 minus 2 into 0.439. Okay. Okay, next another question. Ionic conductance of Ba2 plus and Cl minus are 127. Okay, 127 and 76 ohm inverse centimeter square respectively at infinite dilution. Then the equivalent conductance, you have to find out equivalent conductance in ohm inverse centimeter square of BaCl2. Given also ohm inverse centimeter square, find out also same. Okay. See, you will find something difference in the other questions and here. See, they are asking for equivalent conductance. Okay. Given our ionic conductance. So, barium equivalent factor is how much? 2 positive. Therefore, equivalent conductance of BaCl2. Equivalent conductance of BaCl2, molar conductivity divided by equivalent factor. So 127 divided by 2 plus chlorine. Chlorine already 1 is there, so 76. 127 by 2 plus 76. Then you will get 139.5. Okay, answer will be 139.5. Okay, here you are given with the reaction copper plus 2 silver and copper 2 plus silver. Okay, E naught cell is given and you have to find out equilibrium constant. Okay, need not to simplify, need not to identify the values of antilog. So very simple, but you should know at equilibrium E cell is equal to 0 and product upon reactant, that will be Kc. Therefore, the relation between equilibrium and E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon N into log Kc. So E naught cell is given as 0.46, 0.059 and number of electron you will take 2 because copper 2 electron and 2 moles. Okay, log Kc. So we will write log Kc is equal to 2 into 0.046 divided by, sorry, 0.46 divided by 0.059. Okay, Kc will be equal to anti-log of. On simplification, you will get 15.6. So option A is correct. Okay, note down this formula. If already known, then best. Okay, next question is E naught for Fe oblique Fe2 plus is plus 0.44 plus, and for Cu oblique Cu2 plus is minus 0.32 volt. Then in the cell, then question 1, see how simply copper 2 plus Fe2 plus Fe2 plus iron and iron. Okay, and it is single correct option. Okay, I will tell you the direct technique and official procedure. Okay, see here, see trap is that oxidation potential is given. So this will be reduction potential will be negative here. This will be positive here. Okay, more negative reduction potential will be best reducing agent. Okay, what it will be the best reducing agent. So other, this will be best oxidizing agent. So answer will be what? Cu2 plus oxidizes Fe. Understood? Cu2 plus oxidizes Fe. Understood? Fe plus Cu2 plus. So this iron can replace copper. Okay, this is in the compound and iron is outside. Iron being more reactive, it will undergo oxidation and copper will undergo reduction. Okay, Simply, at least you must be knowing the reactivity series. Iron is more reactive than copper. Iron can replace it, and iron will be in the compound. +2 means in the compound and separate element state. So this reaction is only possible. So iron is undergoing oxidation, copper 2 plus is undergoing reduction. Therefore, B option is correct. Okay. Okay. Next question is, a current of 0.5 ampere passed through AgNO3 for 193 seconds. Deposited 0.108 gram of silver. Then equivalent weight of silver is option A 108, option B 54, option C 10.8, option D 5.4. See here, very simple question. Equivalent weight is the substance which is obtained on 1 Faraday. Okay, 1 Faraday means here how much it is given? 0.5 into 193 gave 0.108. We want 1 Faraday, 96500. Okay, 96500 is how much? So 96500 divided by 0.5 into 193. Okay, into 0.108. Mostly you will get A option. Okay, on simplifying you will get how much? A option. That is A answer is correct. Okay, note down. Okay, next question. Aqueous NaCl is electrolyzed. What is electrolyzed? Aqueous NaCl is electrolyzed. Then ions. Okay, ions discharged at electrodes are. Very famous question. Actually, if we electrolyze NaCl, but here problem is that aqueous, okay, aqueous is there, so it will give you chlorine gas, hydrogen gas, and what is left over? NaOH. Okay, so hydrogen gas is discharged and chlorine is discharged. Understood? So hydrogen and chlorine. So what is the answer? C option. NaCl on aqueous. If it is molten, then sodium and chlorine will be the answer. But aqueous it is given, therefore Cl2 and H2 will be discharged. Okay, next question is, when same quantity of electricity passed through silver nitrate and sulfuric acid connected in series. How they are connected? They are connected in series. Then 5.4 into 10 to the power of -2 grams of hydrogen liberated. Then what is the mass of silver deposited? Simply, you need not to worry anything. You have to just weight of silver deposited. Weight of silver divided by equivalent weight of silver. Okay, is equal to weight of hydrogen divided by equivalent weight of hydrogen. Equivalent weight of hydrogen, silver are given, and weight of hydrogen liberated also given. On simplifying, you will get answer as 5.4 grams. So answer will be 5.4. Actually, this is mistake. So 5.4 grams is the correct answer. Okay.